Okay guys, hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate the Auto Affiliate Ads 2.0, which is essentially a database of banners and creatives that we can use to promote ClickBank products. And one of the great things about this is that we can actually add multiple banners and automatically split test them. So you can see that we've got 2,438 ads in the database, and for 1,396 different affiliate programs on ClickBank, and we can filter by different niches. So let's choose, for example, e-business and e-marketing. You can see you've got 176 ads, and we can also filter by gravity. So for example, products with a gravity of 20 or more. We can filter by Alexa, any commission, so only show sites that pay out at least $20 in commission, or sites that only pay out $70 in commission. We can filter by pay-per-click, so only show sites that are spending at least $100 per month on pay-per-click, or only show sites that are running at least 10 display ads. You can see that any of these are going to pull the numbers down quite dramatically, or only show sites that have a price point of above $47. However, the most interesting part of this database is the fact that we've filtered, it says stats, it should actually say type, we've filtered all of the banners and added them to the database based on 4 different types. So the first type is vertical ads, and let me just show you the vertical ads. Very simply, these are ads that are more vertical than they are long. So if I just scroll down, you can see this is what a vertical ad looks like. And the second type is horizontal ads, which of course are banners which are more horizontal and longer lengthways than they are tall. So again, if I scroll down, and this also includes square banners as well, by the way. But if I scroll down, you can see exactly how they look as well. But the two that we've also added that are quite interesting is we have screenshots, which is literally a thumbnail screenshot of all of these sites. And these are very targeted. If you show this to someone and they go and click and see the exact same sales page, the exact same thing on their screen that they've just seen a preview of, then it stands to reason that they're going to be a pretty kind of targeted buyer at that point. But the second thing that we have is text headlines as well. And essentially what we've done is we've gone through and grabbed the headline for a lot of these offers. So this is kind of like, Google AdSense on steroids. And of course, clicking on these will go through to our affiliate link. So if I just return back to the main page and start to scroll down, then I'll show you basically how this works. So we can arrange by these different metrics here, and we can look at the name of the product, the type of the ad, the category it's in, the preview of the banner ad, the description from the ClickBank marketplace, gravity, Alexa, price and commission, and we won't always have these numbers, by the way, but for a lot of them we do. And then what we can do is we can just click here to select any of these ones. So if I, for example, click those two there, then essentially what I'm doing is I'm going to be split testing this and this. So when I embed this code on my website, 50% of the people will see this and 50% of the people will see this one here. And if I scroll back up, you can see it says export to banners. And if I click on that and then put in my ClickBank ID and then click on generate, it's going to give us a code. And now if I take this code and insert it into my website, then it's going to automatically rotate between those two banners with my affiliate link, so that anyone who clicks on it, I'll get credit as an affiliate. And the other cool thing that we've done as well is the tracking ID that we use is horizontal or horizontal or vertical, or screenshot or text. And so you'll know, even if you choose 2 different banners from the same affiliate program, you'll be able to see which one actually generated the commissions. So that pretty much covers it for the Auto Affiliate Ads tool. Very simple tool, but very, very powerful. And as you can imagine, it took us a long time to build this database. and also a lot of time to build the technology so that we can split test like this. But a very, very powerful tool. I do hope it's been useful, and I look forward to seeing what you guys get up to with it. Cheers.